Habang nag-walking ako guys, napadaan ako dito. Kaya bumili ako. Isang buko stand guys. Anong Mabuhay Road. Hi guys. Inom tayo guys ng buko juice. Or coconut water. This is a good source of electrolytes for hydration guys. Very refreshing, nutritious, and with lots of health benefits. Ang tamis niya guys, oh. Pero hindi siya low in sugar siya and low calorie drink. Kaya very healthy. Inom na tayo guys. I'm sure yung iba dyan maraming buko nyog sa inyo. Ito, binili ko lang to. So guys, keep healthy always. Stay healthy. Thanks for watching.